Join me as I challenge myself to manifest the most surprising and delightful experiences in just 1 week. Together, we'll tap into the power of manifestation to attract pure joy, excitement, and magic into our daily lives. Today, I want to share something that has transformed my life completely. The concept of manifesting delightful experiences. You know, those moments when you feel pure joy and wonder, where everything feels magical. What if I told you that you can intentionally create more of those moments in your life? Manifestation isn't just about the big things, like finding your soulmate or landing your dream job. It's about the small, delightful surprises that bring joy to our lives. And the best part? You can learn to attract these experiences easily with a simple shift in your mindset and approach. Many people believe that manifesting their desires is about positive thinking or visualizing what they want, but there's so much more to it. One of the biggest misconceptions is that we need to control every detail of how our desires come to us. Manifestation isn't about controlling, it's about surrendering. It's trusting that the universe will deliver something even better than we imagine. Another challenge is manifesting from a place of lack. Focusing on what's missing in your life only attracts more of that energy. Instead, we need to shift our focus to abundance, to the joy of what we already have, and set intentions from a space of gratitude and appreciation. So how do we shift from lack to abundance? It starts with setting exciting, joyful intentions. Instead of just setting an intention to have a good day, try something like, I intend to experience laughter, surprises, and adventure today. Can you feel the difference? Next is visualization, but not just any visualization. It's what I call embodied visualization. Don't just see yourself in the scenario, feel it. How would it feel in your body to be living that moment? Would you feel excited, relieved, or full of joy? This makes your manifestation more powerful because you're anchoring the emotions in your body. Another essential tool is affirmations. But remember, the energy of affirmations matter. Instead of saying, I'm not lazy, try, I am capable and motivated. See how it shifts the energy from a negative to a positive. Affirmations are powerful. When we use them to reinforce the energy we want to embody. And finally, one of the most important steps is taking inspired action. Manifestation isn't just about thinking and speaking, it's about doing. When you feel an intuitive nudge, an idea that excites you, act on it. These small inspired steps move you closer to your desires. Let's tap into some powerful affirmations to manifest delightful experiences into our daily lives. As I speak these affirmations, let them sink into your heart and mind. Repeat them silently or aloud. I open myself to delightful surprises every day. I am worthy of joyful and magical experiences. The universe delivers unexpected blessings to me with ease. I trust that the most exciting and delightful moments are on their way to me. I am in alignment with pure joy, and I attract it effortlessly. Each day, I experience the magic of life in new and unexpected ways. I let go of the how and trust the universe to deliver my desires in perfect timing. I am grateful for the small joys that enrich my life every day. The more I trust, the more delightful experiences flow to me. I am a magnet for joy, surprises, and magic. I welcome happiness and laughter into my life with open arms. I embrace the beauty of spontaneous moments and unexpected adventures. I trust that wonderful opportunities are unfolding for me now. The universe delights me with gifts, synchronicities, and abundance. I radiate positive energy, attracting joy and magic wherever I go. I allow myself to enjoy the journey of life with excitement and ease. The more I relax, the more the universe blesses me with unexpected joy. I celebrate the little miracles that fill my life with happiness. I trust that everything is unfolding in my favor in delightful ways. I effortlessly attract the people, places, and experiences that bring me joy. Every day, I am surrounded by uplifting, magical experiences. I attract fun, excitement, and joy into my life with ease. I deserve to experience bliss and unexpected blessings every day. I release control and trust the flow of life to bring me joy. My life is filled with delightful surprises that exceed my expectations. I embrace the wonders of life and trust the universe to guide me to joy. My heart is open to receiving joy, love, and laughter in abundance. I allow myself to be guided by joy and trust in the universe's perfect timing. I am open to new experiences and adventures that bring me happiness. compassionate for all the things beautiful, joyful, and magical. Feel the power of these affirmations wrapping around you, attracting pure joy, laughter, and delightful surprises into your everyday life. Trust that with each word, you are aligning more with the energy of joy and abundance. Manifesting delightful experiences is all about aligning with joy, trust, and gratitude. By setting joyful intentions, visualizing with feeling, using positive affirmations, and taking inspired action, you invite the magic of the universe into your life. Remember, it's not about controlling every detail. It's about co-creating with the universe, letting go with the need for certainty, and allowing yourself to be surprised and delighted by what unfolds. Now, here's my challenge for you. Watch this video every day for the next 30 days. Each time, repeat the affirmations, set your intentions for the day, and let go of the how. See what happens when you align with the energy of joy and trust. I invite you to share the amazing, surprising, and delightful experiences you've manifested in the comments below. Let's create a ripple of magic together. Remember, subscribe and join me on this journey of manifesting joy and wonder into our lives. I can't wait to hear your stories and witness the magic unfold for you. See you next time.